Meet nature's most dramatic sibling duo, here to steal the show. Right. One's a top-tier camouflage expert, its feather pattern blending seamlessly with the branch pure living stick vibes. Plash, left one. Definitely skipped camouflage, one wiggling, yawning, even flicking its tiny tail. With over-the-top moves, non-stop, total drama overload. This extreme contrast of cuteness holds the most real and heartwarming, awkward, growing phase in the bird world. Impossible to look away from. Team Calm Camo Pro or Team Dramatic Star? Drop your pick in the comments.